Hello and welcome to the Soap Kitchen. Today we are going to be making our very own soap with our white melt and pour soap base. Let's go through our ingredients. We have 500 grams of Stephensons white melt and pour soap, 5 grams of poppy seeds for a natural exfoliant, 10 grams of apricot and pear fragrance oil, and 3 grams of green liquid colour. As we are making 500 grams worth of soap, we are using our square 500 gram soap mould. Let's get started. Wearing gloves, chop up your soap into small cubes so it melts evenly in the microwave. When ready, place your soap in the microwave and heat in small bursts, starting with 1 minute on a medium to low heat. Then continue in bursts of 30 seconds until completely melted. With your soap now melted, you can add your fragrance oil and mix well. Then you can add your dye, adding a few drops at a time until you create your preferred colour. Once mixed, you can stir in your poppy seeds. With your mixture ready, you can now pour it into your mould. Use your spatula to scrape out any excess mixture. To get rid of any unwanted bubbles, spray your soap with some IPA, then leave your soap to set. Once your soap is set, it's time to demold. When demolding, pull the sides of your mould away from the soap and place your soap upside down, and using the palm of your hand, push down on the bottom to release the base. You can now cut your soap with a soap cutter to make the pieces even, or freehand with different size chunks ready to use. And there you have it, your very own soap.